You probably already know about at least two flavors of Oase pumps: Aquamax, solids handling pumps for ponds, and Aquarius for fountain displays. Today we're going to talk about the smallest of the Aquarius fountain pumps, the Aquarius Eco Premium line, which brings dancing water to a whole new size range. The three pumps, the 1700, 2600, and 3700, have all the advanced features that we've come to love in the Aquarius line. Variable speed, a built-in scene that makes the pump flow dance automatically, in and out ports for Oase control cables, allowing access and control of speed and scenes via Wi-Fi through the Oase control application on any smart device. All in a sleek, compact package for smaller fountains. The Aquarius Eco Premium has already captured the coveted and highly regarded IF Design 2025 award. The box has useful information on 5 sides in 3 languages. Inside, you'll find the manuals with safety and warranty information, 2 bags of fittings, and the pump itself with its 20-foot cord. The Aquarius Eco Premium comes with fittings, gaskets, and band clamps to accommodate many sizes and styles of tubing for either submersible or inline installations. For direct attachment of threaded 1-inch fountain nozzles to the male threaded 1.5-inch outlets of the larger 2600 and 3700, there's an 1.5-inch by 1-inch reducing fitting. The smaller 1700 already has a 1-inch discharge and comes with a 1-inch female threaded coupling. For Schedule 40 glue fittings and pipe, you'll find a slip union size for 1.5-inch couplings or other fittings on the outside and an 1.25 inch on the inside. For use in features where the water level might sometimes drop temporarily, there's a low water fitting that allows the pump to function in only 4 inches of water. For inline use with the pre-filter removed, there's a second 1.5-inch by 1.25 inch union fitting for Schedule 40 PVC. 2-step unions accommodate vinyl and kink-free tubing. The 2 larger pumps with steps at 1 inch, an 1.25 inch, and an 1.5 inch. The smallest adds a 3/4 inch step. Remember to cut off the unnecessary steps to maintain full flow. This latest generation of Oase Aquarius pump has advanced features inside and out. Inside, the motor utilizes the latest Pulse 6 technology for smoother running, quieter, more powerful, and more efficient performance. Unique patented frost protection safeguards the pump against frost or freezing down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can remain in place all winter long. Environmental function control shuts off the pump to protect it when run dry or clogged. Outside, on the back of the pump, you'll notice the integrated grounding plate that conducts any stray current in the water safely to ground. Above that are the in and out ports for the control cables that link the pump to the Eco Control or Oase Garden Cloud Controller. Either will provide variable speed control and the choice of all 12 dynamic scenes of changing water patterns and various fountain heights via Wi-Fi. Blue in the world of Oase means you can interact with it, so the onboard switch that accesses the patented Dynamic Function Control, DFC, is blue. Switch it on, and the pump will repeat the first of the 12 pre-programmed scenes continuously. Please note that the run-dry protection of the environmental function control is disabled when using DFC. Turn DFC off for regular operation or access 11 more dancing water scenes directly through the optional Eco Control or via Wi-Fi on any smart device with the optional Oase Garden Cloud Controller. The blue clips remove the pre-filter for cleaning or inline applications. The volute is attached with screws to secure it when used outside the pond. For submersible use, the small inlet slits on the pre-filter will only pass particles that can pass through most nozzles without clogging them. The handle makes moving and placing the pump easy, while the wide base offers the stability needed for single nozzle displays. For even greater versatility, Aquarius Eco Premium pumps are designed to run in a variety of environments, including fresh, salt, and chlorinated water. With their industry-leading 3+2 year extended warranty, this pump is the perfect choice for powerful, adaptable, and long-lasting small fountain applications. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the Aquarius Eco Premium Pulse 6 fountain pump, but we're afraid to ask. Check out the installation and maintenance videos and videos on this and all our products available on our website and YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.